New package from Amazon. Let's go. Spin brush. Okay, so we got a spin brush from Amazon. Let's go ahead and see what this thing is working with. The box is definitely smaller than I thought. I really thought it was gonna be like, but it's definitely smaller than I thought. But let's not judge the product by the box. Here's the price. Should not be this difficult. Okay, so what does it come with? It comes with all these compartments. Power cord. Let's put it together. That's where the power cord goes. At the top is for power. Okay. Extend it just a little bit. So the light is green. I'm gonna guess when it's time to charge, it's gonna turn red. Oh, it's got a couple speed options. That's option 2. All right, so 2 speed options. A little slow and fast. And then off. So I got this from Amazon. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this new spin brush to the test. I'm actually gonna change out the top and put the big flat spinning one. I'm gonna put this one on first because I'm gonna get a general cleaning first, and then we'll go into those tight spaces with the more ones that have a little bit more precision like this one. So let's get started. I'm actually really excited, and this is not as heavy or lightweight as I expected. So it's just definitely in the middle. Let's go. My shower's dirty, but I purposely kind of let it get dirty so that I could do this video. So you can see the little marks and stuff. Again, I usually clean my shower every single week, but I didn't because I wanted to test this out. So you can see the streaks. So don't judge me because I am not dirty. Started. Press that power button. Alright, so already I'm noticing that I should probably use the first setting first because this thing is moving, okay? I'm gonna go back to the lowest setting. And it is working, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's talk about the first impressions. So it looks nice, but y'all, this thing is a spin brush, okay? I don't know why the whole thing spins. Like, this is not spinning if you're holding it, but if you let it go, the whole thing starts spinning, because I actually lost my grip while holding it, and the whole thing started spinning in the shower, which, I don't know. It's just very, very hard to really hold it and let it do its thing, because I want to still make movements while it's spinning, but it's just a little, I don't know if this is a cheaper version of the ones I've been seeing, if that's probably why, but it literally fell in the shower because I could not hold it. And so now I've got Comet Ajax all over my brush. But I do like that it has different attachment heads. It definitely does work as far as cleaning. However, I wanted to do some like my own movements at the same time, and I feel like it's a little difficult, but I'm not gonna give up on it because I did buy it and I want to keep trying it out. So yeah, I usually use my a separate broom from my house broom, and I use that broom to scrub the shower. So I'm used to making my own movements, so I just got to figure out my vibe, my movement with this thing. But either way, I'm gonna leave the link for you guys